Hi, let's discuss how to prepare for GATE CS 22. It's already March month. How early you will start, that much more time you will get for GATE preparation. So it's the best time for preparing GATE 22. What should be first step for preparing GATE? First step, go through the syllabus and identify which subject is easy for you and which subject is difficult. After identifying subject, then start your preparation. Finish one by one subject. First, pick the easy subject. Whichever subject you find easy from the all syllabus, start from that subject. Why I am saying pick the easy one? If you start with the difficult one, if you will not able to solve the question, you may demotivated and you may stop preparing for GATE 22. So start with the easy one that will get confident. Then how you will study? First collect the resources. It may be video lecture or notes or anything. Then while study you make your own note, own handwritten note. Then finish one chapter or one concept, then solve PYQ of last 10 year, at least 10 year. You can solve 20 year or more, but at least 10 year of that subject or concept or chapter. So finish one concept, then solve the PYQ. Then finish one concept, then solve the PYQ like this. And finally, attend a test series that you can know where you stand. What is the status of you? There are lots of test series available. You can pick any one. So this is all about how we'll do one subject. Then how we'll do the revision. Revision is most important. Whatever you studied whole day, that you should revise before sleeping. Then weekly once revise. Whatever you studied weekly, just revise once. Like Sunday, whatever your regular timetable plus extra 1 hour for revision, then monthly revise. And that should be in a cycle. And for anything, discipline is most important. So make a timetable with target date that by this date I will finish this subject. If you are starting from March, then minimum 4 hours is enough. If you are starting from June or July, then you need to give more time. But if you are starting from March, you can give just 4 hours. That is enough for GATE preparation. If you have more time, you are not going to college or not doing job, you are preparing full time for GATE, you can give more time for GATE. And you can say mantra of GATE success is practice, practice, practice. You need to do lots of practice. Practice PYQ, practice test series. Let's discuss one sample timetable with target date. Suppose for you TOC is the easiest. You start TOC. For TOC maximum 1 month is enough. Then for compiler design, you can give maximum 15 days. But whenever you are doing TOC, after that immediately do compiler designing. That you can easily understand compiler design. These two subjects do together. Hardly 1.5 months required for these two subjects. Next, algorithm, data structure, programming. These three subjects maximum 2 months is required. For algorithm, 1 month. For data structure, 15 days. For programming, 15 days. I am assigning these days according to syllabus length. Algorithm syllabus is little lengthier than data structure and programming. So for this 1 month, for this 15, for this 15, or whole together you can finish in 2 months. Next, DBMS maximum 1 month is enough. Then operating system maximum 1 month is enough. Computer networking 1 month is enough. Next, digital logic and computer organization. These two subjects do together. For digital logic, 15 days enough. For computer organization, 1.5 months. As I think COA syllabus is little lengthy. And give importance to every subject. In GATE 2021, set 1, there was less question from OS and COA, while there was more question from compiler design DBMS, which are the low weighted subject. So give equal importance to all the subject. Don't skip any concept. Actually, subject is not difficult. Questions are difficult. This is all about the CS subject. Let's discuss the math. Math you can do simultaneously with the computer science subject. For logic, maximum 15 days is required. For combinatotics, maximum 1 month. Set theory, 1 month. Graph theory, maximum 1 month. Linear algebra, 1 month. Calculus, maximum 1 month. Probability statistics, 1 month. And for reasoning, maximum you can give 15 days. If you are giving 4 hours, from that 4 hour, 1 hour you can give to math and 2 hour you can give to computer science subject, then 1 hour for practicing question. This is just a sample timetable. At morning you can give 1 hour for math, then at evening 2 hour for CS subject, then 1 hour for practicing question. That is enough. And don't forget to revise. Every day revise before sleeping. Weekly 1 day for revision plus test series. Like Sunday you are doing your regular 4-hour study plus 2 hour for revision and test series. As Sunday is holiday, you can get extra time, so that extra time you utilize for revision and test series. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.